Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying your Ubuntu release and ensuring repositories are available. This matters because package names vary by release. Run sudo apt update now to refresh package lists so apt can find candidates. If the package is in universe or multiverse, enable those components using add apt repository or edit sources. List. Once done, run sudo apt update again. Doing this first prevents wasted troubleshooting and immediately exposes whether the package exists for your system, saving time before deeper fixes. Next, inspect your sources so apt can locate packages, open /etc/apt/sources. List and files in sources. List. D to confirm entries are correct and not commented out. Clean local cache with sudo apt clean and rebuild with sudo apt update to remove stale indices. Use apt policy package name to see if the package appears and which repository provides it, because this shows why apt cannot locate it. If a PPA or third-party repo is required, add it now and update so the package becomes visible to apt. Finally, attempt installation with sudo apt install package name after confirming the package appears via apt policy. If apt still cannot locate it, search with apt cache search or apt search to find similar names or version-specific packages, because naming differences are common. If dependencies or broken packages are an issue, run sudo apt-get f install to fix them. Key troubleshooting: ensure the repository matches your Ubuntu release and that your /etc/apt/sources. List entries are for the correct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.